One secret flavor unlocking $40,000 monthly food empire? From kitchen novice to culinary kingpin. Unbelievable? Undeniable? Welcome to NeuroFinance Forge, crafting cash from cravings. Meet Lester, our client who spiced up success. If food fuels your fortune dream, like share and subscribe, don't skip. 18 months ago, Lester, 24, spotted NeuroFinance Forge on TikTok Reels, obsessed with becoming a master chef. Solid home cooking chops, killer taste buds, but far from pro level. Pocket change? Barely $500, miles from startup fuel. Elevate my game, he urged in our consult. Our experts empathize, charting a bootstrapped blueprint. Nail demand first, zero in on one niche over full menus. With our guidance, Lester scouted trends. Folks crave easy, repeat fast foods like burgers and grilled chicken. Daily staples, simple to master. Pro move, infiltrate a brand. We hooked him a kitchen gig at a local KFC via our network. $12 per hour, 3 to 4 months planned. 2 months in, absorbed ops flow, portion precision, but secret sauces eluded him. Home trials bombed, bland, inconsistent. Disheartened, he returned. I get the grind, but not the magic. We rallied. Phase 1 aced, mechanics down. Now unlock the taste code. Stick to the job for capital, we urged. Earn while experimenting. Nights dive AI tools like Tastewise for review mining, YouTube breakdowns, ChatGPT simulations. Optimize burger sauce for everyday commuters. Unique Swicy edge. Capital built? Snag essentials, oven, utensils, raw spices. 1.5 months grinding. Self-tests, friend feedback. Brought samples, solid but generic. Mirror rivals, no edge. We coached. Craft exclusivity. One taste screaming only here. He pivoted. Networked small biz pals for trials. Scoured AI for global twists like tangy chamoy. 2 months later, breakthrough. Proprietary Swicy habanero-mango glaze. Unique Zing in every item. Burgers pop. Pizza flares. Burritos burst. Chicken craves. Packaging punch. Custom. Cheap yet chic. Vibrant branded wrappers screaming premium. No shop? Go virtual. Print flyers, deliver free Zing samples to home offices randomly. Hook potential regulars. Free? How profit, he quizzed. Trust the tease, build buzz. Free time hustles, drops daily. Weeks in, orders trickle, then torrent. Quit job, low prices lure. Persistent flyers, hunger hits they call. 4 months, costs recouped, $10,000 saved. Scale smart, loan for prime corner spot. AI mapped high traffic zone via Google Trends. Automate, conveyor ovens cut staff 50%, save big. Ads plus taste equals year 1, $40,000 per month net. Year 2, second branch, automation keeps Zing consistent, tweak ongoing, AI reviews refine, stay fresh. Years 3 to 4, 2 more outposts. Grateful visit. Thanks. We pushed, dream big, buy a running restaurant. $200,000 capital snags 1, inherit chefs, learn full ops. 6 months hands-on, elevated to luxurious, unique Zing menus. Wow, now 3 luxe eateries, dozens fast food hubs, 1 million plus yearly empire. Lester's flavor flip? Your feast at NeuroFinance Forge. Free taste blueprint at NeuroFinance Forge. All links below. Comment Zing my biz, subscribe, bell on. One taste to triumph. Cook it up.